Hi, welcome to Chatham Adventures. I'm Jody, and this is what we do. We have a truck camper and a dually, and we go down south in the winter, and we go to Maine in the summer, and we ride motorcycles, and we kayak, and we fish. We do all kinds of fun things. We have a Jeep, we go off-roading, so you never know what kind of adventure we're going to have next, but we're glad you're here. Please like and subscribe. We really appreciate it, and check back often. Thanks for watching. Okay, just wanted to show everybody my hitch extension. I have a 48-inch hitch extension that I got from Etrailer because I have a big Lance 980 truck camper that sticks out 3.5 feet. So this is my F350 Dually, and I got the 48-inch hitch. I had my welder custom weld side stabilizers. He put these hitch extensions on, and he also put these turnbuckle attachments that helps with the side-to-side movement of the hitch going down the road. We went to Florida with this over 2 months, and it was fine. Like I said, he added these hitch extensions for the truck camper tie downs. A lot of people ask a lot of questions about this, so I thought I'd show y'all. I do that, and then I use this hitch, ball hitch, inside the 48-inch extension. So right now I'm just slid it in. I just need to tighten this up. I'll show you how easy that is. First thing you always want to do is tighten down the turnbuckles for the attachment, the U-bolts. Tighten it as tight as you can. Alright, once those are tight, I'm going to double check these here. Okay. Then you turn the turnbuckles to tighten it up. I like to use this pry bar. I can get it nice and tight. That. All right, that's all you need to do. Then after I drive a little ways, I stop and check these. And then during my trip, I stop several times to make sure these are nice and tight. And that's what I use, only because I'm towing only a 14-foot trailer that weighs about 2,500 pounds maybe. So it's got my motorcycle and kayaks in it and a bunch of other stuff because we do go away for months. But yeah, so this is how I do it, and now I'm going to load my truck camper. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed that video. We hope you'll come back and see what we do next, because you never know. We have so many toys and we're always playing and having fun. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.